Today we'll be talking about how to find the amount of factors of a number. So with the example, say 123, for example. So step one, find the prime factorization. So factorization, I'm just going to call that PF for now. Step two, we will get to that later. But first of all, step one, 123 is 3 times 41. And in this case, I'm going to do 3 to 1. So, step two is to take the power, take the exponent, add, okay, so take the exponent. Step three. So here you have one. So here you just add 1 to each exponent and then multiply them. And then step 4, you multiply them. So 2 times 2 is 4 factors. So here, there's actually, so if you have a notebook here, you can write this down. So here, that means 123 has 4 factors, 1, 3, 41, and 123. You don't have to find this out, but it works. So there's actually there's the function for the factoring function. Func is called tau. So tau of n basically is how many factors n has. Tau of n. So first you have to, so using this step, you have to figure out, so n is equal to, let's just come up with prime number to the power of a times another prime number to the power of b times another prime number to the power of c, and let's continue, let's just say that continue for a long time. So, and then 2, you take the exponents and you add 1 to them. So you have, and then you multiply them. A plus 1, B plus 1, C plus 1, and ... And then 3 you just calculate. So let's try with a different example. C 1050. So here it gets a little harder to do the prime factorization. So here you can just use the tree. 2, 5, 25. 3, 175, 5, 35, 5, 7. So it is 2 times 3 times 5 squared times 7. And we just add 1 to make all these 1. So then you have, this is A, B, C, D. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 is 24 factors. So what you get is that tau of 1050 is 24. And so here let's try a quiz. tau of 5625. You can pause the video if you want to.
Okay.
Did you restart it?
Yes.
Oh, it's still going on. Okay, so If you figured it out, we can. If you didn't figure it out, that's fine. We can solve it together. So this is divisible by 5. You have 1, 1, 2, 5. You can divide this by 5 again. You get you get 243. You get 225, sorry. 5. 45. 5. 9, which is then 3, and then 3. So you have the prime factorization is 3 squared times 5 to the 4. 2 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 is 3 times 5 is 15. So that means tau of 5625 is equal to 15.